Hi, I'm Curtis Bottis and welcome back to my channel. And on this channel we have covered a lot of different topics with regards to cryptocurrencies and basically just the banking system as a whole and just overall topics regarding to finance. But recently me and a few of my other friends have come into the topic of Forex. And if you don't know what Forex trading is basically just trading two currency pairs and predicting or estimating if the price is going to go up or down between the two cryptocurrency pairs, which is for example South African Rand and USD. So you trade if this Rand is basically going up or down against the USD. So recently on my journey for the past month, I've tried to learn more about Forex, and this is basically just the start of continuing that journey. So on this channel I'm going to document basically how I've learned and my experiences with Forex trading. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and also make sure to leave a like and share this video, because I feel like you're going to learn a lot from the upcoming videos with regards to this topic. So myself, I'm still learning the topic. I'm doing a lot of research. I'm planning on a 6-month journey where I'll be learning a lot more and basically sharing everything I learn on this channel. So like I said, if you're new, make sure to subscribe. So the main topics or the main points I want to point out in this video is none of my content is financial advice. Everyone do their own research. Everyone is on their own path to making money. So that is the main points I want to point out. So the platform I will be using in the series is MetaTrader 5 basically. So in the upcoming videos, I will do videos regarding MetaTrader 5. That's the main platform I'll be using. I'll have videos with regards to brokers and basically MetaTrader as a whole. As we know, with regards to cryptocurrency, chart reading and doing your technical analysis, that will also happen with MetaTrader. So with any reading or basically any form of trading, you'll have your technical analysis. But with Forex, it's a little bit different because with cryptocurrency, we compare the ZAR to the BTC to an overall amount compared to each cryptocurrency. But with Forex, it's a little bit more and it's not as volatile as crypto. So that is a few points we also need to point out. We'll go over the platform, like I said, MetaTrader 5. This is the platform with how it will look like. You'll see it's a lot of stuff compared to how we use Vala. We just focus it a little bit. Just don't want to focus it. It's going to look like that. And the app icon looks like this. Let me focus. Looks like that. So we'll go over this platform and we'll basically just navigate through it, and from there which cryptocurrency pairs. Like I said, I'm on my own journey towards Forex trading. I'm putting myself at least 6 months, and we'll probably add all the tips and tricks you need to know with regards to Forex trading. So like I said, if you want to be up for the journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started with Forex for 2024. That's the journey. I'll start for the first 3 months. I said I'm going to start with a demo account, not move on to real money as soon as I learn the basics of Forex trading, as I know I have a cryptocurrency background basically, which strong cryptocurrency. I've been in crypto for about four years, since 2019, 2018. I've been in cryptocurrency, but not officially traded cryptocurrencies up until 2021. I had my downtimes between cryptocurrency, up and down, because due to university and working. But now I'm setting a new goal for 2024, which will be Forex trading. So if you want to be part of this journey, make sure to subscribe, make sure to leave a like. So I'll check you in the upcoming videos. Until next time, peace out.